Make a great choice today with the 2016 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.